In this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide apps on Samsung Mobile. So let's get started. First, open Settings app on your Samsung Mobile. Alternatively, swipe down from top and tap gear icon which is for settings. Now scroll down and tap home screen option. Scroll down again and tap hide apps. Here you will find all the apps that are installed on your Android mobile. Just select the app that you wish to hide. Let's select Pixar Motion. Once done, tap Done. And now the app is hidden and the app icon won't be accessible. To unhide the app, open Settings, tap Home Screen, tap Hide Apps, and at the top you will find all the apps that are set as hidden. Simply tap the apps that you want to unhide and tap Done. Now that app icon will be available to access. So that is how you can hide apps on Samsung Mobile. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.